Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In a previous tutorial, we have learned about if-else statement, and this tutorial is about else-if statement. So if you have some idea on if-else statement, then that will help you to learn about else-if statement. In a if-else statement, we can put condition only in if, but in else-if statement, we can put more than one condition by using else-if. Now to make it more clear, let's jump into an example. If condition 1 run this code, if condition 1 is true, else if condition 2 run this code, if condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Another else if condition 3 run this code, if both condition 1 and condition 2 are false and condition 3 is true. Else run this if all above condition is false. Here this says first we test condition 1, and if the condition 1 is true, then this code is execute. If the condition 1 is false, then it goes lower to else if to test the condition 2, and if the condition 2 is true, then it execute this code. If not, go lower to another else if, and if the condition 3 is true, then execute this code. If not, that means all the conditions are false, so that code from else will execute. Now declare a variable where x equal to 10, then make a first condition x is greater than 0, then write document dot write this is positive number. Now make another condition x is lesser than 0. Now I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, then write negative The last condition is x equal to 0. this is 0. At last in else write this is not a number. Now run this. We got this is positive number. Here x has value 10, so that for a first condition 10 is greater than 0 is true, so it print this is positive number. Now let's check for negative value. It print this is negative number, because for first condition minus 10 is greater than 0 is false, but for second condition minus 10 is lesser than 0 is true, so it print this is negative number. Now also check for 0. And we got this is not a number, because in a second else if I use single equal sign. So to make it work, just add another equal sign, and we got this is 0. Now here we check for positive number, negative number, and for 0. Now let's see what happens if we check for letter instead of number. And we got this is not a number. And again we can put many conditions as we want by using else if statement. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.